How to get a receipt from GCash. So first things first, head over to the GCash webpage. Let's go on to gcash.com. You can either log in on your mobile device or onto your web browser. You're going to enter in your login credentials, and once that's done, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to the help center. Because in a lot of different ways, people actually don't receive the receipts, and all the other different ways that they try, all else failed. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to the help center and type in receipt. You're gonna find multiple different articles that are supposed to help, but I've done the math and I've realized that not you didn't receive the cash in or the remittance, or you didn't receive the receipt, right? So what you can do is you can specifically click on chat with Gigi, which is basically a 24/7 live chat support that GCash offers you to help you out with your stuff. So by chatting with me, you agree, which is our privacy notice. Let's see how we can help it. Let's just type out and say, I did not receive my. So let's just say you made an online transaction, but you didn't receive any receipts. So you're just going to simply say that out to Gigi or Gigi. I'm not sure what you're supposed to call that out. But yeah, so if you're missing any receipts, you could provide more details about the transactions for which you did not receive any receipts, and then they can help and assist you and guide you out better. So guys, this is how you can receive your receipts on GCash. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.